under root of 9 minus square root of 8 equals what? So what are we going to do first here is, we have square root of 9 and that is equal to 3, we know that. So we have under root of 3 minus, we have square root of 8, and square root of 8 can be written as under root of 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Now what are we going to do is, this is square root of 3 minus square root of 4 is 2. So that comes out to root 2. So we have this 3 minus 2 root 2. Now what is under the bracket? We're going to write that 3 minus 2 root 2, and this we're going to simply write it in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and that is equal to a minus b the whole squared. So we are just going to write it in this form. So let's write it. We have 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. Then we have minus 2 square root of 2 times square root of 1. We can write it like this. Now what do we have? Let's arrange it in order. We have 2 minus 2 square root of 2 times square root of 1 plus 1. And this can be written as, now these all things are under this root. So we have to put the root. All these things are under the root. So we'll have the root. Now this is equal to our formula a minus b the whole square. So that's equal to square root of 2, because a is square root of 2 and b is equal to 1. So we can write it as square root of 1. So we have square root of 2 minus square root of 1 the whole squared, and as I said, this is under the root, so root and square gets cancelled. So we have square root of 2 minus square root of 1, and this has to be in the modulus, that's the absolute value, which has to be positive. So we already know that square root of 2 is equal to 1.414. So our answer will be positive. The answer is square root of 2 minus 1, and that's your answer.